Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to easily set up and customize the footer of your Shopify store. Let's jump right into it. First of all, from your Shopify admin dashboard, go to online store and then click themes. This is where you manage your store's design. Now click on the customize button for your current theme. This will open the theme editor where you can visually edit your store. In the theme editor, scroll all the way down on the left hand panel. You will see a section called footer. Click on it. Inside the footer section, you can add different blocks. For example, you can add menu, newsletter sign up, social media icons, or custom text. Let's quickly add a menu for quick links and a newsletter sign up to collect customer emails. You can customize each ebook from the menu. Choose an existing menu from your navigation settings. For text blocks, you can type custom message. Then you can add a new folder from here. Click add section. Then you can use custom liquid. Now go to your browser and search for welcome message. For Shopify liquid code. Just copy the code and paste here. Or you can use ChatGPT for better experience. Just go to ChatGPT. Write code of welcome message for Shopify footer liquid. Now copy the code and again select all and paste here. Now welcome to my store. That's good. Once you are happy with your footer layout, don't forget to hit save button from upper right corner. Now go back to Shopify dashboard, then themes, click view store. Scroll down and here it is. If you want to change the links in your footer menu, go back to Shopify dashboard. Then from online store, then click on navigation tool for pro user and edit your menus here, and that's it. Your footer is ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.